So my name is Akshita Jain. I am from Savai Madhopur, Rajasthan, and right now I am pursuing my BA LLB integrated course from Banasthali Vidyapeeth, and currently I'm in third year. To be honest, this course was a great learning experience for me. The way course has been designed is really appreciable, and what makes it special is that it emphasizes on the practicality of the subject rather than just reading books or provisions that we do in law school. Then it was great because it provided us live classes which allowed us to clear our doubts then and there. Then we got the recordings of those classes as well, so that we can visit them as many times as we want if we cannot grab it in one go. Then we got the assignments, and we were provided with the study material that we could refer to while doing those assignments. And also the evaluation of assignment really helped us to improve further. So overall, it was the course provided everything that I expected, enhanced my knowledge, and improved my writing skills. So it was overall a great learning experience. If we talk about legal internships, the most basic kind of work that everyone expects from the interns is drafting, research, and writing. So that is a major part of this course. I drafted various documents. Now, of course, the course cannot make me excellent in drafting as we don't do that many drafts, but how it helped is that now it gave me an idea. Now, if I would be given a task like that, I won't be clueless. I know how to go about it. I would know that I can draft it. And talking about the writing skills, the article writing part in the course helped me a lot in improving my writing skills. Now, before taking up this course, I was a little hesitant about writing the articles as I hadn't written much. But the writing assignment sessions by Law Seeker mentors helped me a lot in improving that. It gave me an idea how to structure it, how to go about it. So I wrote the articles, they even got published. So it gave me a confidence and also an understanding as to what direction I need to go in. So these are the skills that I'm sure would be helpful in securing internship, and I intend to further enhance those skills. Basically, most of the time the law students are loaded with work. So, and we find it very difficult to manage and everything. So, the best advice that even I'm looking forward to follow is that take small steps, fix small targets, and keep deadlines, and try to achieve those targets and those deadlines, and keep on repeating this, keep on following this pattern with discipline. How it would help is that it would make the work easier to manage, and it would help us to achieve the bigger targets efficiently. So that would be my advice. About feedback, I cannot think of something that needs to be improved, but I would like to point out the things that I really like and appreciate. That firstly, the evaluation of assignment part. It's like the evaluation is done in a way like it's like every word of your assignment is being read, and from the smallest mistake to the biggest mistake, everything is pointed out, and even the good things that you have done in your draft for that matter. So that helps a lot in improving further in the further drafts and assignments. So that is one good thing. And another thing is Law Seeker team is really supportive and cooperative. They are always there to deal with your doubts and other problems relating to the course. So I would just request you to keep this up. And yeah, that would be all from my side.